So Gunjan, just speak a little bit about yourself. From where do you come? And again, just in very short, what
Yes,
you
sir.
did throughout the year and how you attempted the paper.
So, good morning, everyone. I come from Bihar. I did my BDS from New Horizon Dental College and Research Institute, Chhattisgarh. So, at first, I want to say, जो भी whatever Neeraj sir and Akshika ma'am is saying, just follow that because I have followed that for strictly 1 year, and I've joined the academy in 2023, I think, and this was my second attempt. So मैंने बस वही किया जो सर और मैम ने बोला था एंड जस्ट रिवाइज ऑल वट एवर अकेडमी इज प्रोवाइडिंग टेस्ट सीरीज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट डेली असाइनमेंट is very important, and most importantly sir's book is most important thing is sir's book. That has helped me quite a lot, and revision only revision and only question solving. Do as many question as much you can, ठीक है, मतलब जितना question हो सके जितना do your मतलब sir used to say in the last 3 months that your day should be consisting 90% of the question, and academy's notes has also helped me a lot. I used to revise academy's notes like 2 times I revised that, and daily assignment and sir's book and test series, just that.
बिल्कुल शॉर्ट में गुंजन हैज टोल्ड व्हाट शी फेल्ट। ठीक है, अगेन वही चीज़ आती है घूम पे, चाहे तुम चारू का देख लो, दीपिका का देख लो, गुंजन का देख लो, कैलाश का देख लो। फोकस ऑन दी क्वेश्चंस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। मैंने आज सुबह भी यही चीज़ बोली थी। गुंजन, बस एक छोटी चीज़ और बात करेंगे कि योर पेपर अटेम्प्ट, तुमने उसमें पेपर में कैसे किया, कितना किया, तुम्हारी क्या असेसमेंट है पेपर की?
Sir, so for me,
और
part
तुमने
A was.
पिछला पिछला नीट भी दिया था, तो उसके कंपैरिजन में पेपर कैसा लगा? तुमने 2 नीट दे चुकी हो।
Yes, sir.
सो
Yes, sir. So in NEET 2024, I scored 455 marks with 3550 rank. I wasn't prepared well because that was my internship year. But in the heart, I knew that I'm going to prepare in 2025. मैंने जैसे exam से निकला in NEET 2024, I knew that I'm going to prepare for the second time, and I'm going to join the ACE Academy only because I'm telling you, whatever, if you want to get selected in the NEET MDS, just follow whatever Akshika ma'am and Neeraj is saying. Just follow the academy, nothing else. Just follow the academy and trust the academy. And फिर उसके बाद NEET 2024 में questions on medical side I did nicely, and dental subject was a bit tricky for me. And in sir NEET 2025 पार्ट ए was सर मुझे सर पार्ट ए सर थोड़ा इजी लगा, इट वाज अ बिट इजी फॉर मी, बट सर आई लेफ्ट सर 5 questions in part A, sir. But I remembered what you said in the sir guidance session that if you are leaving 5 questions, then compensate in part B. So I compensated. I left only 7 questions. So sir, I left only 12 questions in the overall paper, and I
तो मतलब
attempted.
228 अटेम्प्ट किए है ना,
Yes,
विच
20.
इज़ ऑन द लाइन जो हम एडवोकेट कर रहे हैं।
Yes, sir. So I did that only, and one thing I'd like to tell you that there is only like 45 seconds there. There is like very less time, and your mind is should be concentrated on that, and please utilize the time. Please utilize. मतलब waste नहीं करना है. Don't waste like more than 50 seconds, 60 seconds on one question. Don't waste.
तो हम पूरी स्ट्रेटजी बना के चलते हैं कि आपने अपने पेपर को टाइम करना है। अभी तो तुम लोगों को ये सब सिखाया नहीं है, वो हम मॉक सीरीज में जाते हैं तब बात करते हैं। सो दैट इज़ व्हाट शी इज़ टॉकिंग अबाउट कि टाइमिंग कैसे करनी है पेपर की। एंड वहाँ पे टाइम कम मिलता है, मतलब सेक्शन जब एक बार लॉक हो जाते हैं, यू कैन नॉट गो बैक टू द सेक्शन, दैट्स अ वेरी टफ थिंग। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट द पेपर इज, मतलब टाइम वही रहना, पूरा ओवरऑल टाइम सेम है, नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चन सेम है, बट यू कांट गो बैक टू द सेक्शन। तो आपने कितने अटैम्प्ट किए एक सेक्शन में, दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। यू कांट गो बैक टू द सेक्शन एंड रिव्यू इट। सो दैट्स अबाउट इट। सो थैंक्स गुंजन, and very felt really happy seeing your selection. It was even more important because you were a second attempter, and you are from a college जहाँ से selections इतने आसानी से नहीं आते हैं। So very happy to see you being selected and having a good rank. Let's see what the matrix comes and what kind of seat you will get. So,
Yes, and congratulations, Gunjan. And I would just
Thank you,
add
sir.
on 2 things. अभी जब तुम लोग प्रैक्टिस करोगे ना May 2025 एम्स एग्जाम, so remember she had been recalling questions so beautifully yesterday. कल से she's just writing the questions after the exam. Okay, so remember that Gunjan has collected those questions for you majorly. The rest, a lot of other students from the academy also contributed, but she's taking the lead of all the questions when I'm compiling the paper. Apart from that, she has immense trust in the academy. Gunjan has been with us last year also, and then she continued. Like first year, everybody does not shape up, but then instead of switching or anything, she continued the trust and continued with the academy. And in the second year, she has done a beautiful job, right?
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, sir.